Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very impressive move today, and then that's where things get, I don't want to say that the chart is destroyed, but the chart certainly looks worrisome because you had a whole lot of strength, a whole lot of power show up, and then all of a sudden, the price went right back to where it started. In other words, all that power, not only did it disappear a little bit, it totally disappeared to the point of, like I said, the price drifting right back to where it all began. Now, does that mean that the game is over? Does that mean that this thing is going to crash? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that I think there's a very real chance now that this green line down here, which is what I've talked about in past videos at 2450, could very well, be coming into play here again and potentially getting tested here as that area of support. So 2450, like I said, to be fair, it wasn't tested today, so the price is, clearly still holding up above it. But if the price does, test it and break down below it, the next key level of support to keep a very close eye on would be down there around 2350. And then if 2350 falls, that's starting to really put the price into, a very open area of the chart, if you will, because you look here and there just isn't any other data points, and it's still essentially down there below that $22 mark. So those are definitely going to be the main areas of support. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. I've talked about this level in the past for those of you that have watched, other videos I've done on this one at 29. And to be fair, 29 was actually temporarily broken. However, it was almost kind of just like a cruel joke. Price broke above it. Then the bears said, hey, just kidding, bulls. And then back down it went. So point being, if there is any sort of attempted recovery back to the upside, that $29 mark is now that main area of resistance. But as of right now, those are going to be the main technical points to watch moving forward. So let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.